Welcome heroes, today I will replace the O2 sensor on my 91 Chevy van. The O2 sensor is located here right above the oil filter. I recommend to replace it while the downpipe is still warm or hot. For example, after driving the car, because usually you have a lot of rust after such a long time. Mine looks quite fine. I penetrated it a little bit with WD-40 and will try to remove it now. The oxygen sensor on this 91 Chevy vans is just with one cable. Ground is via the car and not via cable. It's not a heated one, so it fits quite easy in a standard ring wrench. You don't need any special tools for that. Okay, cable is disconnected. Old versus new. The old one was, I suppose, the original one. Made in USA still. This is the new one. Also original GM part. When possible, I choose GM parts or RC Delco when available. So now I will clean the thread a little bit. Maybe use a little bit of copper paste, but when you use it, be sure not to touch anything here on the sensor module itself. What I don't like is that the cable was not attached anywhere, so I will attach it here in a way that it cannot touch the downpipe. Okay, and that's it. As long as your car is not too rusty, it's really like a 20-minute job maximum, so good luck.